Our clean room and assembly is state-of-the-art. Our ultrasonic wash line has many features, including multi-sonic capability, 5-stage wash system, and inline citric passivation. We feature many testing capabilities, including particulate testing, bioburden testing, endotoxin testing, and non-volatile residue testing. We also offer clients laser engraving with flat marking and cylindrical marking. We specialize in medical device assembly, adhesive assembly, mechanical assembly, and micro laser welding. Our packaging services include kitting and sorting, vacuum sealing, and heat sealing.